Good morning, pregame crew. How are ya? Hey, Topher, Fat N, Trainman Dan, my friend, Skyper, Jutu, Alice, Jungle Cat, Shake. You're back home. You're back home in Georgia. Hey, Night Truck. Hey, Jungle. Okay, Fat N, I'll help you. Andre, Steven, Sam, Greg, Wave, Skyper, Hunter, Dollar Tree. Hey, Mao. Hey, Sean. Oh, okay, AV's good. Then let's start with the request. Going back up to the top. CGC. Cannabis names had a great day yesterday. We have the debate tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern, which could impact these stocks. 509 is your high of yesterday. We're still below the daily EMAs. Bears are still in control. That was some good volume yesterday. We have enough room for a 4-hour high or low, but bears are still in control. 509, 474, your key levels. Coin. Coin has been getting the beat down with Bitcoin weakness. Bitcoin had a decent night overnight. We have an inside bar from yesterday. And we're opening up near yesterday's high. See that 4-hour 12 EMA? It's been controlling price since Monday, August 26th. Got to get over 157.40 and in order to say, okay, I think the 4-hour 12 EMA is no longer a barrier. Been rough going out there. Let me go back. Yeah, 157.40, that's your level. Fat, and then you change your direction whichever way. If you're right now shorting, you're okay. But if 157.40 is breached, you're no longer okay. AVPT. Yeah, AVPT has been great. Hunter, you've been all over this one. $11.96 and $12. We have a double top. Again, this name has been great. However, we are getting upper wicks of bears selling into these pops. The name looks good overall. On larger term time frames, it looks good. Back to school. CPI tomorrow. Hey, Duke the Fool, Walmart. Walmart daily potential bull flag confirms over 77.81, the all-time high. Man, that chart looks good. Potential weekly bull flag. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. I would buy pullbacks until it stops working. Great chart. ASML. Is that the European SMCI, is from what I understand? Tell me if I'm wrong. Weekly lower low. Daily downtrend. I would say you would at least need to get over yesterday's high to get over the hourly EMAs and establish some type of dominance if you're trying to be a bull here. So 764.28. Sorry about the air conditioner. PLTR. 6:30, I need to get started. PLTR is opening up near the high of yesterday. It's just a great looking chart. Weekly bull flag confirming. I mean. Love the CEO. I fundamentally love this company. Holding the hourly 12 EMA. I would keep it on back burner watch for dip buys. We have CPI tomorrow. Let's look at what's going on. Get our bearings. Okay. Good morning. This is who I am. I'm Chart Gal Lori. If you want to give me a follow on X at Chart Gal Lori, that would be lovely. Check us out at chartguys.com. We teach technical analysis. And today we have some 2-star events. We have OPEC monthly report, Fed Bar speaking, EIA short-term look, FOMC Bowman speaking, 3-year note auction, and then we have the API estimates at 4:30 Eastern, and then we have oil inventory tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern. So don't have a ton going on. What I do here is this table is just a way for me to convey to you objectively what I see out there. And what I see out there is more bearish than bullish. 65 to 62. Someone would probably call that a push, but I would still say it's more bearish than bullish. All right, let's go look at the charts. We have ES right now, so 2-hour potential inverse head and shoulders is confirming. Here, here, and here. It's confirming over 54.93, which we just hit 54.93.75. We need a more convincing bull break over 54.94. And I would say that we are confirming the bullish 2-hour inverse head and shoulders on ES. And on NQ, very similar. We were able to break over this by $9. Bulls want to see a little more convincing bull break. But 4-hour trend change to the bulls. RTY, 4-hour 12 EMA is still a problem overhead. 1 hour, we got the trend change, but RTY is a little bit weaker than the other names. On the 4-hour for the Dow, this looks like an inverse head and shoulders as well. Need to break 4,108.1065 for a convincing break. VIX 4-hour bear flag breaks bear at 1929. Then we need to lose 1883. We have fear exiting the building. That's good for the overall market. Hang Seng was up 0.22%. DAX is currently down 0.41%. Bitcoin is green. We are at the weekly 50 MA. Daily, we're looking for potential lower high compared to 598 to 570, but we've made enough room for a daily higher low. Bitcoin bulls are trying to climb out of their doomsday yesterday. 4-hour uptrend. 4-hour higher low set at 56,377. Bitcoin is making some headway for the bulls. On Ethereum, looks more like a rising wedge, tiny higher highs without follow through. We need to get through 2381.46 in order to say, okay, bulls are back in control. Yeah. Dollar. Dollar bulls, this looks like a head and shoulders. Here, here, and here. It looks pretty bearish. If we break 101.65, I would say, which we did by, 2 pennies. So 101.65, I would say that is a head and shoulders confirmed. Dollar doesn't look great here. On the daily, a lower high is the more likely scenario compared to 101.917. And odds favor that we EQ out. We have CPI tomorrow, and CPI tomorrow will dictate a ton of what happens today. To me, it feels like a hurry up and wait situation as bulls and bears are waiting for that CPI data. We have gold equilibrium on the daily. If the head and shoulders on the hourly chart breaks bear, that would help gold. We're getting hourly higher highs, but still feels like a rising wedge. Oil is weak, super weak. We have some pretty key oil reports coming in today and tomorrow. But that daily is a classic bear flag. You would print this on Investopedia and say, okay, if you're looking for a daily bear flag, this is it. Oil not looking great. Nat gas is bouncing finally. $22.247, 2225. We just got a 4-hour double top. We've made enough room for a 4-hour higher low now. Bulls are in control of nat gas. Apple, 1 second. Apple yesterday had a flat day, and we're having a red opening. We're not as close to yesterday's high as the other high beta names. Bears will be looking to top fish Apple right here against yesterday's high. Yet bulls have made enough room for an hourly higher low. Amazon, we're gapping up. Let me go back to the news. Did we have? Yeah, I don't see an upgrade. Amazon looks great. We're gapping up. That's a bigger move than what I looked at it 2 hours ago. We've made enough room for a 4-hour higher low and a pullback. Wow. Nvidia does not look great. On the hourly, we got a higher high. We're gapping up right now. 108.97 is your next resistance. Support 105.58. Can bulls maintain this gap up? Looking pretty good. Tesla did have an upgrade, so this gap up makes sense. Oh, we're back inside yesterday's high, 219.87. We're back inside by 7 cents. Gap rules apply. On the daily chart, we closed with a daily inside par. Friday's range was huge, absolutely huge. $23.09. Huge range, and we closed inside that. And bulls are trying to break out. They got a long ways to go. So bears will be looking at top fish 4-hour lower highs on Tesla. Queen of the Mountain, I'm looking at CVX. So CVX has potential hourly inverse head and shoulders. Here, here, and here. We're scouting a monthly higher low. Of course, oil bounce would help this if we can get it going. ELF, daily stair step. Looking for a long if we could break the daily stair step. It breaks at 120.41. I like this. This thing has dropped $100. This could be a great bounce play for a swing. Looking for this daily stair step break. Lily, scouting a weekly higher low. And 4-hour got oversold yesterday. There. So bull break over 915.43 could be a decent long. And then XBI. Potential 2-hour inverse head and shoulders. Scouting a weekly higher low. So we're looking for this little inverse head and shoulders to play out for potential weekly higher low on XBI. And that makes sense to me. Qualcomm. Qualcomm, we're coming up on the weekly 50 MA. 150.61 is the key support. On the daily, we've lost the key moving averages. Inside bar yesterday. $162.37 is your next resistance. Yeah, nice bounce. What did I trade yesterday? Nvidia. I traded Nvidia. This could be a rising wedge today, so I have to be careful. But I traded out the gate on that bounce. And I'll be live in 17 minutes to call out any other trades I see that I like. Those Nvidia. Wait, 106 calls. That's what I'm in currently. Yeah, Nvidia looks good in pre-market. Looks really good. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. TCGers, I will see you in about 15 minutes. I'm going to boot up that live stream. And I'll be there and we will go through the market open. Hope you have a good day. Prepare for CPI tomorrow.